My name is Andy Ferguson. I am the market development rep for Philips Lighting. We are at the Hyatt Regency in Long Beach for the Walters Philips Mini Light Fair. And today what we are discussing is all of our LED products that Philips has to offer today. We have an assortment of our PAR lamps. We start off with a PAR 30. We make two different versions of this lamp. We make a long neck and we also make a short neck. We make it in an arrangement of Kelvin degrees as well as beam spreads, ranging from 2700, 3000, and 4000 Kelvin, 10 degree spot, 15 degree spot, 22 narrow flood, as well as a 36 degree. We have that in a PAR 30 as well as a PAR 38. We also have an assortment of our A lamps. These are direct replacement for standard incandescent. They range in 7 watts, 8 watts, as well as what we call our A19 Prince lamp. And as you can see here, I have one of the lenses off of the lamp to show you how we create white light. As you can see, when the lamp is off, the lamp has a yellow lens. This is a remote phosphor. And when we turn it on, as you can see, we have inside, we are using blue LED pumps. And when you take a blue LED and you combine it with a yellow remote phosphor, you create white light. This is a fully dimmable product, as you can see. This will replace a standard 60 watt incandescent light bulb. We are going to bring out more versions of this in a 40 watt replacement version as well as a 75 and potentially 100 watt. And as you can see, this is a direct replacement, once we demonstrate this, to replace this 60 watt lamp to this 12.5 watt lamp. The life rating on this lamp is 1,000 hours. It primarily produces heat. This 12.5 watt A19 LED lamp lasts for 25,000 hours, puts off very little heat, and is fully dimmable. As you can see, the lumen outputs are the same. This 60 watt incandescent has roughly 800 lumens, as well as this one. So from a maintenance standpoint, an energy standpoint, and an application standpoint, there's really no reason to stick with a product that produces as much energy and has a much higher maintenance cost for replacement than to use this new 12.5 watt A19 LED lamp from Philips. One of the other benefits of the new 12.5 watt A19 lamp is that it will disperse light in all directions. As you can see, that this does not have a very sharp cutoff point compared to the other A19 lamp in 8 watts that we offer. When this is fully illuminated, this has light that disperses primarily up and somewhat out. One of the parameters to make this lamp meet the replacement requirements of a standard incandescent is to make sure the light is dispersed down, side, and up. This does a very good job. If you had this in a table lamp with a cover over it, you can very easily see where it does almost an identical look to a standard incandescent light. We also have an assortment for halogen MR16 replacements. We have a 4 watt MR16. This will replace a 20 watt MR16 halogen. This will work off of magnetic as well as electronic transformers. To replace the higher wattages MR16s, we make also a 7 watt MR16. This will replace a 35 or a 37 watt halogen. And then for probably the highest base lamp that's on the market today installed, we have a 10 watt MR16. This will replace a 50 watt MR16 halogen. There are many benefits to all of the products thus far that we've shown. The first obviously being energy savings, but from a total cost of ownership or a maintenance savings, these lamps range from 25,000 hours of life to 45,000 hours of life. They come in an assortment of beam spreads and Kelvin temperatures, as you can see, with the difference between the two that we're showing today. Warm 2700, 4000 Kelvin, or cool white. We also have replacement LED lamps for decorative applications. This is a decorative candelabra base. This is a 3 watt. This will replace a 15 to 25 watt incandescent decorative lamp. And for those that still have medium base sockets, we also make a medium base socket. This is actually a blunt tip. We make this in a bent tip or a flame tip as well. These come in 2700 Kelvin in particular. This has very good color rendition. It's 90. This does an excellent job to replace those decorative fixtures. There are lots of applications, hotels, high-end residential. As you can see, this is fully illuminated. It has a very nice warm tone to it. This is the effect of the higher CRI, or color rendition. As you can see, this is fully dimmable. As we go down, it's a gradual dim. Does a very nice job for the applications that need dimming. And we make these in assortment of designs in terms of shape, in terms of blunt or bent tip, as well as 2 different Kelvin temperatures, 2700, and in some models we make 3000 Kelvin as well. There's much more information you can find on our new Philips products. One of the best ways to do it is to go online and go to www.philips.com. Remember, Philips is 1L. And take a look at the offerings that we have with our LED products. Thank you very much.